Learning to speak English is not easy, even if it's your native language. Learning by yourself online is even harder. Luckily, we've developed AI-powered tools to make learning easier for your students. Our world-class team of AI researchers have developed a tool called Cambridge's AI Speech Tutor. Cambridge's AI Speech Tutor listens to a student's attempt, identifies where they can improve, and can make suggestions on how to improve their spoken English. This is exactly the same as a real-life English teacher. Cambridge's AI tutor increases engagement by up to 300%, retention and the rate at which students learn by up to 15% in only 3 months. How it works is simple. Students record their attempt at a sentence or short paragraph. This is sent to our AI to make the assessment, and the results are sent back and displayed in real time. We deliver a score and identify where the students can improve. Our AI is created using the latest technology and trained on native speaker pronunciation, such as US and UK speakers. Our Cambridge AI Tutor is your solution to quality learning online, offering students on-demand automated learning. Get in touch and try it out today.